This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by dananelson. Peace at last. Classic log cabin in the woods. Master and laundry on the main floor. Creekfront picnic area, large covered porch, patio with porch swing. Gas log fireplace, terrace level has large rec room, shop, third bedroom and second bath. Homeowner's warranty include with full price offer. Handy to Blue Ridge and Blairsville, Georgia and Murphy, North Carolina. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.